Hey guys, I'm Tech from Tech Driven, and today I'm going to show you how to fix a loose connection port in your smartphone. It doesn't matter if you have iPhone or, like me, Galaxy Note 10 Plus. The USB-C connector, it plugs in, but it's loose, as you can tell, and of course it doesn't charge properly most of the time, and that is because there's an issue. It doesn't really matter if you have Galaxy Note 10 or an iPhone, same process applies. So first thing, you would assume that it's either your cable or your port on your phone is broken, and most of the time all you need really is a needle, and get in the port right there and scrape it around and get all the dirt that might have accumulated over time, especially when you have your phone in your pocket. You know, the lint, dust, everything slowly accumulates over time, and that should fix the problem most of the time, because in reality the cables is probably the second thing that can go bad. Most of the time it's just that it's dirty, and that's why it's not fully plugging in and making a loose connection, and that's why you're getting a bad connection, not charging and being loose. Same thing of course applies to the iPhone lightning connector. You want to take a needle, get there, look at that, grab it out. See, look at that, a lot of dirt, and that's why the cable will not go in properly and won't charge properly, and it seems like it's loose, but most of the time that's the case. It's very rare, but it happens that the port will go bad because something happened where it got toggled with the cable. But this is the primary cause of a loose connection, is the port is getting clogged with debris. Second one would be that the cable end falls off out of plastic because it cracks or something and it's being loose. And the third, of course, is the phone. But this is a great solution to check, make sure it's not the phone itself, because otherwise, I mean, the alternative is to send your phone for repair, and that can be costly. So this is a quick fix. Most of the time that's all it is. So I hope this was helpful to some of you guys, save you some money before you send out your phone to repairs. Thank you for watching. Make sure you click like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next video.